In today's video, we unbox the new Start Collecting Primaris Space Wolves set. It comes with 14 Citadel miniatures. Let's go ahead and see what we got. We got some nice, art and a little bit of lore going for what we have in here. Here we have, they're showing the named HQ character that's coming in here that I believe was originally in Tooth and Claw. We have a set of Aggressors and Interceptors. I love how they give you the color schemes, especially when it's printed here on the box. So if you are new to the hobby and you're picking the set up, you would know what kind of paints you might also want to get to work with these guys. This one also comes with the Space Wolves Primaris upgrade kit, and by looking at the numbers, there should be 2 of them actually in this. So, all of that, considered, this actually, while it is more expensive than the original Start Collecting set, I can see why. There's a lot of great value here within this set, and other than this, this 2 upgrade sprue and that named character, these guys really could be anybody you wanted them to be. So I could see, even if you play, a different faction, I could still see you getting this one and maybe trying to trade the, say the upgrade sprues for the, say Blood Angel ones. And you could very easily convert this into a Blood Angels kit. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what we have in the box. And this one, this one's got the pull-out box that they're starting to do, rather than just everything being thrown in here. And it's got the new colored instruction, full book size colored instruction manual. Love that. That is very nice, very useful, very helpful. Let's go ahead and flip through this really quick. And then the tools that you will need, and then putting together that battle leader. And then our aggressor. Very cool. And aggressor pack leader. And the aggressor C. Very cool. And let's see. Yep, they actually did print these instructions for the wolves, because they are showing the upgrade sprue shoulder pads with its numbers, but this could very easily be converted, like I said, if you were to say get the Blood Angels upgrade kit, just where you're seeing these red numbers in here, that is coming from those upgrade sprues, so you would know where to make your changes. So that is nice. And then again, I love it when they show all your different options that you can do. Very cool. I'm glad to see that we got a lot of these purity seals, because I need to steal a couple of those for my Dante conversion that I'm doing. Very cool. And then choose wise, choose the variant. And again, wherever you're seeing this, where they're saying, hey, make your choose, which one do you want to do? You want to do the leader? When you see this kind of stuff, a lot of times that means you're probably going to be able to magnetize things to make them a little different. Looks like the legs are a little different here, so that part might not be as magnetizable, but the weapons, backpacks, that kind of things, are definitely going to be something that you could potentially magnetize, so you can have your different options, without having to have, lots of different units. Now we're getting to our Interceptors. Again, showing you all the different heads. And these are probably because they're from the upgrade sprue. And then all of those different bits. So many options. That's so great. I love all of that. Again, this just really helps you make these models unique to you. And then we have our stats. For the Aggressors. And finally the Interceptors. And once again, even though we did get that color scheme, it is nice to get that over here as well, so you can see it all nice up, pointed to where it needs to be, which I didn't immediately notice. Yeah, oh, see that's, I'm really liking that on these, you know, colored instruction books. That right there almost is a reason to get the Start Collecting set over just your Intercessors. To have this nice big colored book. Very cool. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sprue that we get. And let's go ahead. I feel like, there we go. That might be a little better. Let's take another quick look at this one just in case. And then we got our two Primaris upgrade kits. Number one, and then of course number two. We got both of those. And then our HQ Herald Interceptor, or Ice Cloak. And this guy is nice because a lot of him is separate. So even if you do get multiple of these kits, you know, here we have, you know, the body, the back, the plate, you know, just his legs are where a lot of that detail for him come in. You know, his head, again, he even has the two different head options. So if you, even if you were to get multiples of this set, I can see where you would not be disappointed with him, because he does give you a lot of really great stuff. So, and then here the shoulder, yeah. So if you were to, I could see you easily converting this into other things, or you know, using his bits for other guys. So I would not be disappointed, you know, if I ended up having to have, say, 2 or 3 of these ones. So this is one of those Start Collectings where I wouldn't feel bad about having to, wanting to get 2 of them, to be able to build up a nice size army. And then it does come with the water decal transfer sheet. So of course, if you were to get this one to try to do a different faction, you would need to get a decal sheet for that other one. But other than that, that's pretty good. And then of course we have the bases for them. But that is what we get in the box. Very cool. RHQ, R2 upgrade sprues, and then the Interceptors and Aggressors. Very, very nice set. I like this one a lot. It's a good time to be a Space Wolves player, because we got the 2 different start collecting sets, making it very easy for us to really get a good running start in the game. So hope this answered some of your questions on this new Primaris Space Wolves set. Help you decide if it was something you wanted to pick up for yourself. Till next time, see ya.